members who in the first year become a third-degree member or bring in a new member into our council who actively participates in our council activities, and he comes to at least 3 council meetings. And the first one we'd like to recognize is Kevin Herrera. Kevin? Manuel Moreno. Let me and the next new knight we'd like to honor is Max Viela. Where's Max? There we go. He's a great guy. VIP Club. This is a very exclusive recognition and all. So the first one, my brother Armando Sixto. Kevin Barrera. He's a five-member team. 5-member team. Luis Gomez. Luis Gomez has brought in 5 members. Oh yes, very definitely. You didn't know that. I have to my records. Xavier Guerrero. Yes, you brought in 5, so you can wear the 5 in as well. The guy, Ruben Hernandez, come on. I recognize the 5 members. Okay? Manny Suarez. Manny. Where's Manny? Do you know that you have brought in 5 members into our council and nobody recognized you, or I recognize you? Thank you. Manuel Moreno. Now we're going from 5 to 10. Then you reach 200. Okay, so keep on working. Now, last one.
He's a little shy. Michael Alba brought in 20 new members to this council this year, so he gets recognized.
Okay, well done. I'm indebted to my predecessors for their past night, George Hyatt. I have learned much from them, and that has made it possible for me to carry out the duties and responsibilities as Grand Knight during the past 10 years. Thank you very much, my predecessor. I'd like to offer my best wishes to the incoming Grand Knight and the great team of new officers. Please come with my fraternal support. I'm sure the council will reach new heights of achievement under your direction and your officers. Thank you, Brother Knights, for giving me the unforgettable and most gratifying opportunity of serving you and our fellow man, following the command of Jesus Christ. Viva Jesus!
Viva Jesus!